Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice antimatter blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7-liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package and the black appearance package. And we got rear park sensing, tow hitch, we got side bed steps, backup camera, nice bedliner, and a nice blind spot detection, or no, not blind spot detection, tailgate step. We got a rear camera right here as well, which is pretty nice. Black platformed running board, side view camera, trailer tow mirrors with blind spot detection. And moving to the front here, we do have a nice license plate bracket, recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. It's also perforated. Plenty of door space, B&O sound system. You got flat fold storage system, carpeted interior. You got cup holders, heated back seats, USB-C is 120. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. And you can lift up the seats for additional storage. Taking a look at the right-hand side here, we do have powered seats. The same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, memory seating for up to 3 drivers, powered door mirrors, B&O sound system, parking brake pedal adjusters, tailgate, and spotlights, all on our left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 29.5 kilometers. We have a heated leather-up steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get my view, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, no towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have tons of storage. You get cup holders, but you get 2 more if need be. We do have a wireless charging pad with some outlets, and it does close. You got that leather-up center console with even more storage. You got a light and some outlets down there. Drive modes, rear locking diff and 4-wheel drive, trailer brake, heated and cooled front seats. There's that heated steering wheel, dual climate, 12 volt and 120. Got storage above and below. Storage right here. And we got 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please with a nice rear window opener. You also do have your features for your twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and a nice garage door transmitter. You have your engine brake and hill assist just above your infotainment system, which you do have audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings, personal profiles, 911 assist, all that jazz, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC44537, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.